हे फ्रेंड्स, जैसे आपको बेसब्री से रहता है म्यूजिक, मस्ती और एंटरटेनमेंट के फ्रेश डोज का इंतजार, वैसे हमारा भी दिल होता है कि जल्द हो आपसे मुलाकात। सो हियर आई एम विद योर फेवरेट शो मैरीगोल्ड। और पहले नजर आज की हेडलाइंस पर। वीकेंड पर अगर आपका घूमने का मन है तो एक एक्साइटिंग लोकेशन से होंगे आप रूबरू। सिनेमा की खबरें आपके लिए लाएगा हमारा सिनेमा स्कूप। पपेट थिएटर और डांस का मेल देखने को मिलेगा आपको डीटीएस में बुधवार शाम हुए नाटक के जरिए। तो ये रही आज की हेडलाइंस। और आने वाला वीकेंड अगर आप बना रहे हैं कोई घूमने का प्लान और एक ऐसी जगह जाना चाहते हैं जहां मौसम भी अच्छा हो, खाने पीने का पूरा इंतजाम हो और आराम हो, तो जरा ये देखिए।
Amazing weather, mesmerizing surroundings, and this beautiful breeze I can feel right now. Yes, right now I am at the open air deck restaurant at Timber Trails Resort, Parvanu. With just 20 minutes away from Chandigarh, Panchkula and Mohali on this newly created highway, this place promises to be a hot spot. So come, let's check out this place today. This place is really very beautiful, and right now I'm standing with the brainchild of this behind this beautiful place, Mr. R.K. Garg. Welcome to Day and Night News.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, sir. First of all, how did you come up with this place?
Actually, this was an old swimming pool here, and I think we started this pool about in 1992. And because after the opening of the highway, this national highway, now it takes only 20 minutes from Panchkula, or if you want to go for dinner from Panchkula to Chandigarh,
Yes.
it takes sometimes half an hour. But from Panchkula here, it's only 20 minutes. That's why after the opening of this, we thought we must cater some bigger crowd. And I want to keep the people in nature, the fresh air, and especially when the full moon is there, people sitting just out of the world.
More about this restaurant. I believe there's a screen also.
Yeah, we put a screen because especially when these IPL matches are there, people wanted to enjoy their food, to see the, say, movie or so, not the movie, but especially the matches.
The best part is the lighting and the hills.
The lighting is there, and you see our lighting in this area is very small, and this is really eco-friendly. We are using only 4-watt lamp in these lights. Only 4 watt, and you can see, you can sit, you can eat, but no high power lights.
So now let's also move to the kitchen and
Yeah.
see what's there, what's cooking.
Yeah. And Tara, may tell you one thing more.
Yeah.
All the, say, food stuff we were using here, the vegetables, is coming from our own farm. And we can't write organic, but it's from our own farm, so to make sure we are not using any pesticides.
Any pesticides? That's great.
And I'll show you now my bar.
Yeah, I'm very excited to see the bar because in such a beautiful surrounding, such great environment, definitely a drink is a must. We can already see that a range of mocktails is already being kept, which is very tempting. And Neha, what can you make for us? Just one special drink.
Mom, chocolate mustard.
I'm all ready to try this tempting drink. Yummy, Neha. Thank you so much. It tastes great. Great. So sir, now I think let's move towards the food. There's some dishes that have been prepared.
That's right. Yeah.
We'll definitely try all of these. But sir, first of all, what all cuisines does the restaurant offer?
We see. I told you we serve Indian, the Chinese, and continental.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, pasta is Italian dish. A lot of people want some pasta and pizza. We give you here.
So what would be, the famous speciality of this restaurant? Which dish would be
I
the
think crispy
speciality?
corn is for the vegetarian.
Okay.
Pasta for the vegetarian.
So I would like you to throw some light on the prices, because I don't know, I believe I've heard somewhere that this place is a little costly also. So what would you say on that?
No, because we are expensive because we are opening only for 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
And 4 hours we have to pay the entire cellular staff, everything, all Mesa Plus we have to do.
Okay.
That definitely increase our cost. But anywhere we are about from 200 to 400 rupees.
Okay.
And we serve here about, if you spend 500 to 800 rupees, we cover all snacks and all main course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I ask you, suppose, a meal for two, how much would it cost?
It's about 1,000 to 1,200 rupees per day.
After taking a stroll of the whole place, of the swimming pool, the kitchen, the bar, finally I'm seated, I'm very comfortably seated, and now I'm going to taste the tempting dishes. Some chicken, some nice mocktails, and some fresh air. A great combination. The sumptuous food just added to the delight.
Yeah.
और इसके लिए मैं thanks बोलना चाहूँगी sir का. Thank you so much.
And how was it like the food?
I really like the food a lot,
Okay.
and the experience was amazing.
Thank you very much.
so
Thank you
much.
very much. Have a nice time. Okay.
Thank you. Fresh air, fresh food, and all the possible fresh things you could get. Being natural is the way at the Deck Restaurant. I had a dream-like experience, and if you too want to experience it, the weekend's just around the corner. Go celebrate. With camera person Gurinder Singh, this is Tahira Wasim for Day and Night News, Parvanu.
उम्मीद है कि अब घूमने कहाँ जाएं ये टेंशन आपकी खत्म हो गई होगी। और अभी के लिए छोटा सा ब्रेक, वापस आकर होगी सिनेमा की